All right, so for tonight's homework, I wanted to go over a couple of the problems. I think I'm just going to go over number 1 and number 3, because that will kind of cover a couple different concepts and a couple of different types of problems. Today, the whole point of the lesson was to find a percent of a number. So number 1, we had 400 students in the school. How many of them want to be an athlete? If they have athlete on the pie chart, it's a percent. So we talked about in class today, since first chapter was ratios, we could set these up as equivalent ratios with a percent on one side and the actual amount of students or whatever the item is on the other side. So we're going to talk about athlete to the total. 12%, a percent is always out of 100, and that's going to equal, we want to know how many of the students will want to be athletes when they grow up if there are 400 students. So like I said, on one side, this is called the percent proportion, like we talked about in class. 12% would be 12 out of 100, but there were 400 kids. So you can see that this one was times 4, so 12 times 4 would be 48. So we would make a prediction that out of the 400 students in the school, if 12% want to be an athlete, 48 would be 12% of 400. So we would write 48 students want to be an athlete.